Hey guys, welcome back to Hazzy Code. Today in this video we are going to see how to create our own toast message, and we will also see that how to create a toast message on button click that will demonstrate how to use a on button click event in your app. So for this we will go to main activity.java and first we need a button object, and we will find view by ID, and we will call the set onClickListener, and here inside this public void onClick method we will put our toast message, also the whole toast code. So for this here it takes the parameter of our context. Here it will be the message that you want to display during the toast, and this is the length of the time that the toast is gonna display it. So here I'm going to type, for example, this is a Hazzy code toast. Alright, so that's it, and now we will run our app. So here our app has launched, and when I will click on this button it will show the toast that we have created here. Here you can see that this is our toast message is displaying. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt then you can ask it on comment.